catacombs here in Rome too, so don't worry if you have a tour planned for the catacombs and you're like, wait, they're only in Paris.
Oh, didn't know that.
Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're Holly and Andrew, and we're spending the next 90 days traveling around Europe with our dog Waffles. We release new episodes every Saturday, so make sure to subscribe to be the first to see our new videos. You guys look cool. Whoop. Every time we see grass, we make sure Waffles uses it. Unfortunately, the grass here is mostly just big weeds. Big prickly weeds.
Yeah, go potty.
Go potty, Waffles.
Yeah, there you go. Good spot. Good spot.
Good girl.
Do your business, like Ollie.
All right, let's go find a Subway.
Oh,
I could
so
go for a
delicious.
Subway sandwich. Wow.
Welcome to day number 9. We're in Rome again, and today we're going to check out some bones. I think it's like a basilica, and somewhere downstairs they like line the walls with bones, kind of like the catacombs in France.
Well, there are catacombs here in Rome too, so don't worry if you have a tour planned for the catacombs and you're like, wait, they're only in Paris.
Oh, didn't know that. And then I think stop by the Colosseum, you know, all leisurely. Just swing by, because it's in the neck of the woods. But I'm excited because Holly's going to teach me how to use the train app today. I have not downloaded it yet. She's been doing all the navigating, and I want to take that off her hands because it's a lot of work. So I'm going to learn how to use that.
Not here yet. Yes, we're going to see that pyramid.
So it was designed as a tomb, built as a tomb
For one guy.
for one guy. That's so cool, but we can't figure out how to get in, so we're just going to look at it from the outside.
This pyramid is considered one of the best preserved monuments or architecture in Rome. So there's the trains, and then there's the subway system, metro system that we just learned about. Rebabio is downstairs. Waffles gets the princess treatment. The stairs are
I'm
just
a pack mule.
the stairs are just so disgusting. She's getting a bath tonight too.
Wow. Oh, I forgot we're doing this. So this circle was one of, well, the original horse racing track here in Rome. And chariot racing. So if you ever watched Gladiator, I think, they do chariot races. That is this.
I don't know what these ruins are next to Circus Maximus. It looks like you have to buy tickets to get in. Maybe it's part of the Roman Forum. But it looks cool. All right, we're entering the chariot races.
Yeah! Hi-ho, Silva! No, not having it, well. Okay, ready, racehorse? This is your track. Go, go, go.
Oh my god, she's so fast. It's so like detailed and intricate. It's crazy.
Yeah. It's cool how impressive it is. Even though it's smaller than like a normal football stadium back home. But for these people so long ago to build something like that, I don't know, it's like really amazing. How you can tell where the new section is.
Yeah.
Kind of sad that they rebuilt it.
Well, it probably fell down.
Well, yeah, but like That was part of the charm of it. Having a big chunk missing.
It's really not that expensive to get tickets into the Colosseum, but you have to be ready the day they open or it sells out. I mean, look at all these people. We did today a little bit backwards from what we planned. So we saw the Colosseum first, and now we're heading to see the bones.
Bones!
We've got about a mile walk first. These are weird stairs. Wow, that's a good photo right there.
What a wild, unique experience. So I just came out of this church, which is a museum, church on top, and then underneath is kind of like some crypts where they buried some monks, but the way they did it was very crazy. So they're the Capuchin monks from about 1730s to 1770s, so mid-70s, 1700s. They buried them and decorated their tombs with thousands and thousands of real human bones. So this is an example of one of the tombs. That's a real like monk there. It was wild, but there's no filming and no pictures inside, so I couldn't capture any of it. Oh my god, what a wild experience. If you're in Rome, I recommend it. It's a 10 euro charge. It's worth the 10 bucks for sure. And be sure to grab a postcard on the way out. Waffles wasn't allowed in the church either, so she had to sit on the stairs. But it was quick. The full tour takes about an hour. I didn't do the full tour, I just kind of, I blitzed it. But man, super cool. I recommend it. It's a little morbid, a little macabre, but I think if you're into that sort of thing, you'll definitely find this pretty interesting. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna go find some food, get some gelato for Holly. I've been promising it for a long time, but we've got lots more in store, so stay tuned and we'll see you out there. This is a tiny castle that my parents used to own. Holly didn't realize it, but this is our family heirloom, and it'll be passed to me one day. That's completely a lie. I have no idea what this is.
That's not what we're going to see, though.
HGTV lied to you.
Andrew lied to you.
That's not what we're going to see?
No.
Oh.
Waffles, are you impressed? No, she's not even looking. God. Where did Dad go? Look for the dog. Look for the dog. Look for the dog. Oh, they're there.